Hi there, future scientists and math wizards. Welcome to Smile Road. I'm Sir M, and I created this channel just for you, senior high school students looking to make science and math easier, clearer, and yes, even more fun. On Smile Road, we explore exciting lessons in general science, solve real life problems in general mathematics, and learn how these subjects connect to the world around us, from floating boats to your monthly budget. Each meeting, I'll guide you through lessons using simple explanations and real life examples, and even a few challenges to keep your brain sharp. Whether you're reviewing for exams, catching up on class topics, or just curious about how the world works, you're in the right place. Don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, and notification bell so you won't miss any of our learning adventures here on Smile Road. So, are you ready to start this journey with me? Let's walk the road of knowledge with a smile. Our lesson, chemistry lesson, Roman numeral number 3. This is the quarter 2 of grade 11, general science. The title is Chemicals in Everyday Products, Balancing Benefits, Risks, and Regulations for Health and Environment. Intended learning outcomes. By the end of the lesson, learners should be able to A. Identify common household and personal care products along with their major chemical components. Letter B. Explain the benefits of these products in terms of convenience, hygiene, and quality of life. C. Analyze the potential risks to human health and the environment caused by the misuse or improper disposal of these products. Letter D. Discuss the role of government agencies such as the DTI, FDA, and DENR in regulating, monitoring, and providing guidelines for the safe use and disposal of consumer products. Letter E. Recommend responsible practices for the safe use, storage, and disposal of household and personal care products. Letter F. Demonstrate awareness of sustainable consumer choices that balance products' benefits with safety and environmental responsibility. Chemical composition of household and personal care products. For our household products such as detergents, bleach, disinfectants, and air fresheners often contain surfactants, chlorine compounds, and volatile organic compounds, the VOCs. The personal care products like soaps, shampoos, lotions, and cosmetics include alcohols, parabens, formaldehyde-releasing preservatives, and fragrances. These chemicals are designed to clean, disinfect, preserve, or enhance personal appearance, but can have side effects if not used properly. Benefits of using these products: hygiene and health. Regular use of disinfectants, soaps, and detergents reduces microbial contamination, preventing diseases. Convenience and comfort. Products like air fresheners and cosmetics improve quality of life. Preservation of goods. Cleaning agents help maintain household materials, appliances, and clothing. Improve confidence. Personal care products contribute to self-esteem and personal presentation. Potential risks in the human health, long-term exposure to parabens and phthalates may disrupt hormones. Inhalation of volatile organic compounds from sprays and disinfectants can cause respiratory irritation. Letter C. Accidental ingestion or skin contact with corrosive cleaning agents can be toxic. Environmental risks. A. Chemical wash into water systems can harm aquatic life. Example, phosphates from detergents cause algal blooms. Plastic packaging adds to solid waste problems. Improper disposal, powering down drains or dumping in landfills leads to chemical pollution. Government regulation and oversight. DTI, the Department of Trade and Industry. The DTI ensures product standards and labeling requirements so consumers are informed about chemical reactions. DTI implements fair trade practices for safe and quality consumer products. Food and Drug Administration, FDA. FDA regulates cosmetics, personal care products, and disinfectants to ensure they are safe for human use. Requires FDA requires clinical and laboratory testing before product approval. DENR, the Department of Environment and Natural Resources. DENR monitors and regulates the environmental impact of chemical waste and pollution. DENR enforces rules on hazardous waste management and eco-friendly disposal practices. Responsible practices for consumers. Consumers need to do the reading labels carefully. Consumers need to check active ingredients, warnings, and expiration dates. Safe storage. The consumers must keep chemicals away from children, from pets, and food items. Proper disposal. Consumers must not put the chemicals into drains or throw them into open dumps. The consumers must follow local hazardous waste disposal guidelines. Eco-friendly alternatives. Consumers need to choose biodegradable cleaning agents, refillable packaging, and products with natural ingredients. Moderation in use. Consumers must apply only the recommended amount to avoid unnecessary exposure. Challenging question number 1. Many household cleaning products contain strong acids or bases. How can their chemical composition both contribute to effective cleaning and pose risks to human health and the environment if improperly disposed of? Okay, how acids and bases in household products work. So, cleaning effectiveness in chemical perspective. So, acids like hydrochloric acid in toilet bowl cleaners dissolve mineral deposits like calcium carbonate from hard water stains. Bases like, for example, sodium hydroxide in drain cleaners, ammonia in glass cleaners, break down organic matter such as grease, fats, and oils by saponifications or emulsification. This chemical action makes them highly effective cleaning agents. Risk to human health, corrosive nature. Strong acids and bases can burn skin, damage eyes, and irritate the respiratory system. Toxic fumes. Some bases, like ammonia, release vapors that cause lung irritation. Accidental ingestion. Even small amounts can cause severe internal burns or poisoning. Environmental risks. Water pollution. When poured down drains in large amounts, acids and bases alter the pH of water systems, harming aquatic life. Chemical reactions. They may react with other substances in wastewater, producing harmful byproducts. Example, chlorine gas from mixing bleach and acids. Soil contamination. Improper disposal can change soil chemistry, reducing fertility and killing microorganisms. Role of regulatory agencies. The DTI ensures product labeling includes proper warnings and usage instructions. FDA evaluates product safety for human use and sets guidelines for allowable concentration of chemicals. DNR regulates disposal and environmental safety, preventing pollution from hazardous household chemicals. Key takeaways. The chemical composition of acids and bases makes them powerful cleaning agents, but the same properties make them dangerous to humans and ecosystem if not used and disposed of responsibly. Proper handling, following DTI, FDI, and DNR guidelines is crucial to maximize benefits and minimize risks. Challenging question number 2. A personal care product is advertised as organic and safe for the environment. Based on the roles of the DTI, FDA, and DNR, what steps should be taken to verify the product's claims, and why is this verification important for consumers and the ecosystem? We are going to have the answer in our next part of the discussion of chemistry lesson Roman numeral number 3.